Nobio AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, this review will cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether Nobio AI is the game changer you've been waiting for. First off, Nobio AI promises to simplify and automate many of the tedious tasks that often slow down digital marketers, content creators, and business owners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by repetitive work like data entry, content creation, or managing customer relationships, Nobio could be the tool that finally takes the load off. Now, one of the most impressive aspects of Nobio AI is its ease of use. Unlike some complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Nobio's interface is user-friendly. It's built to help you get up and running quickly without hours of training or frustration. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you won't waste time figuring out how to navigate it. Secondly, let's talk about its functionality. Nobio integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms, which is essential for streamlining workflows. Whether you're managing an online store, building a website, or handling marketing campaigns, Nobio is versatile enough to serve a broad range of needs. This versatility is one of the key selling points, and it's clear the developers want to appeal to both small businesses and larger enterprises alike. If you're worried about how this AI software will impact your daily work, rest assured that Nobio AI is designed to enhance productivity without overwhelming you. For example, it can automate tasks like customer follow-ups and social media content planning, which is something every marketer needs. This means you can focus more on strategy and creativity, while Nobio handles the grunt work. But what about the results? With its smart algorithms, Nobio AI can produce high-quality content with minimal input. The system learns over time, improving the content it generates based on user feedback. Whether you're drafting emails, blog posts, or social media updates, Nobio helps ensure your content is consistently relevant and engaging. Another noteworthy feature is its customer support. A tool like this is only as good as the support behind it, and Nobio AI excels in this area. The team is responsive and provides useful resources, from step-by-step guides to live chat assistance. So if you're ever stuck, you won't be left hanging. Now, some AI tools can be pricey, but Nobio offers a free trial, so you can give it a go without any upfront investment. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants to test it out before fully committing. And remember, you can sign up for the free trial from the first link below this video. Finally, when it comes to pricing, Nobio's plan options are competitive. There are affordable tiers that scale with your needs, whether you're a freelancer just starting out or a larger business looking for enterprise-level solutions. After testing out thousands of AI software tools, Nobio is definitely one of the standout options for anyone in digital marketing or content creation. It's easy to use, highly functional, and versatile enough to meet a wide range of needs. If you're interested, I've included a list of my recommended AI tools in the description below, including Nobio, so you can try them all for free and see which one works best for you. So there you have it, 7 crucial things you need to know about Nobio AI. Try it out, see how it fits into your workflow, and if it's the right choice for you, dive deeper. Let me know what you think in the comments.